Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, July 24th. The Zen story for today is titled The Sandal by the Door. The monk placed his sandals by the door each night, side by side, heel to heel, and each morning one was missing. Never both, never neither, always one. At first he smiled. A small game, he thought. Nothing more. But after a week, the small game began to gnaw at him. He rose earlier. He waited by the door. He watched the shadows shift in the garden, his breath growing tight in his chest. One morning, just before the sky began to pale, he saw it, a flick of a tail and a quiet shape slipping through the reeds. The cat. He reached for his sandals, ready to chase it down, to put an end to whatever this was. But his hand stopped halfway. He looked down at the single sandal. Then, and his bare foot pressed against the cold floor. He stayed there for a long moment, longer than he meant to, and then he left the sandal where it was, stepped out barefoot, feeling the sharp stones beneath him, the roughness of the path, the cool breath of the earth curling around his toes. He walked like that all day, something in him loosening with every step. The next morning, both sandals were gone. And for the first time, his feet felt like they belonged to the ground. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What comforts have you mistaken for direction? What comforts have you mistaken for direction? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What comforts have you mistaken for direction? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.